This time I'm going to show you how to make a rocket that simply uses the squeeze of your hand and some simple materials that you can find at home. You're going to need some straws. Now, when you're looking for straws, you're going to need two different size straws like this. Not only are they different size in the length of the straw, but one straw is a little bit smaller than the other straw, and it goes over the top just like this. That's going to be important. Okay, the smaller straw needs to fit inside of a bottle that you can easily squeeze, and these juice bottles are perfect. So find your favorite juice bottle. The thing that you're looking for is the very end of the bottle here that has the hole that's just about the same size as the straw. That is perfect. Now, we want to give it some stability, so that's where some modeling clay kind of comes in. So a little bit of modeling clay gets worked around the straw like this. It's not pretty, but it works. You want to hold it in place. You want to make it so that when you squeeze the bottle, it's filled with air. The air gets forced out through the straw. Perfect. All right. If you take the bigger straw now and you put it over this straw like this and you squeeze, what's going to happen? Nothing. Why? Because there's nothing on the end that's stopping it, right? For Newton's third law to work, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. We've got to force the air against something so it can propel forward and that air can push back. So in order to do that, just take some more of the clay and watch. It's this simple. Push the clay on the table like this and carve out just a little piece of clay like this to be able to seal the end. That's perfect. So watch what happens. You now position the rocket straw over the end of the launcher, and all you simply have to do is squeeze. As you push forward this way, the rocket gets propelled forward. Bam! See, that's pretty good. And immediately you can reload like this. Got it? Bam! Ouch. Here we go. Here's another one. Nice one. Boom! Gotcha.